Now we learn when to stop iterations using another example. We solve cos x minus x equals 0. Define the function. Substitute 0 into the function. Cos 0 equals 1. The answer is positive 1. Now substitute 1 into the function. Cos 1 is approximately 0.5403. The answer is negative 0.4597. The sign changed from positive to negative, therefore the root lies between 0 and 1. Choose 0 and 1 as the initial approximations. Apply the secant method formula. Substitute into the formula. Simplify the denominator. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The next approximation becomes 0.6850. After another iteration, the approximation becomes 0.7363. After another iteration, the approximation becomes 0.7391. The next approximation is still 0.7391. Now compare the last two approximations. Substitute the approximation values. The difference is 0. The approximations are no longer changing. This tells us the method converged to the root. Since the values stabilized, we stop iterating. Therefore, the approximate root is 0.7391. If we substitute the approximation into the function, the answer becomes approximately 0. Remember, a root is a value that makes the function equal 0.